Hello everyone, I am Mukta from TY Farm, Shivajirao S. Dundre College of Pharmacy. Today I am representing the PPT about Acyclovir under the guidance of Principal Dr. Nitin Muhire sir and our Professor Dr. Sunaina ma'am. Now let's see starts with the introduction. Acyclovir, that is ACV, also known as Acyclovir, it is an antiviral medication. It is primarily used for the treatment of herpes simplex virus infection, chickenpox and shingles. Other uses include prevention of cytomegalovirus infection following transplant and severe complications of Epstein-Barr virus infection. It can be taken by mouth, applied as a cream or injection. Common side effects include nausea and diarrhea. Potentially serious side effects include kidney problems and low platelets. Greater care is recommended in those with poor liver or kidney function. It is generally considered safe for use in pregnancy with no harm having been observed. It appears to be safe during breastfeeding. Acyclovir is a nucleoside analog that mimics guanosine. It works by decreasing the production of the virus's DNA. This is the structure of acyclovir. Category. The category of acyclovir is antiviral. Acyclovir is a class of antiviral medications called synthetic nucleoside analog. It works by stopping the spread of the herpes virus in the body. Acyclovir is used to decrease pain and speed up the healing of sores or blisters in people who have varicella, that is chickenpox, and herpes zoster, that is shingles, a rash that can occur in people who had chickenpox in the past, and first time or repeat outbreak of genital herpes. Genital herpes is a virus infection that causes sores to form around the genitals and rectum from time to time. Acyclovir will not cure genital herpes and may not stop the spread of genital herpes to other people. Now let's start with the structure activity relationship. The acyclovir class of antiviral typically share common structural features. Here are some key structural elements and their contributions to activity. First, the length of acyclic side chain attached at N9 is essential for the antiviral activity. When the acyclic side chain containing hydroxymethylene group was replaced by other substituents, inactive analog are obtained. This implies that CH2OH group is essential for an antiviral activity. Third, the 9-alkoxy derivative was obtained when a slight modification was brought in the acyl side chain, which is highly active against herpes simplex and varicella zoster virus. Fourth, several structural modifications have been brought to acyclovir to obtain high potent drug. Now let's start with mechanism of action. Acyclovir is a nucleoside analog that selectively inhibits the replication of herpes simplex virus type 1 and 2 and varicella zoster virus, that is VZV. After intracellular uptake, it is converted to acyclovir monophosphate by virally encoded thymidine kinase. The monophosphate derivative is subsequently converted to the acyclovir triphosphate by cellular enzymes. Acyclovir triphosphate competitively inhibit viral DNA polymerases by acting as an analog of deoxyguanosine triphosphate. Incorporation of acyclovir triphosphate into DNA results in a chain termination, since the absence of third hydroxyl group prevents the attachment of the additional nucleosides. Molecular formula of acyclovir is C8H11N5O3. IUPAC name of acyclovir is methyl in bracket 5 small bracket propyl thio small bracket complete 1H benzimidazole 2YL bracket complete carbamate. Molecular weight is 225.21 gram per mole. Now we can see the synthesis of acyclovir. Acyclovir 2-amino 1,9-dihydro 9 in bracket 2-hydroxyethoxy methyl 6H-purine 6,1 is synthesized by alkylating guanine with 1-benzoyloxy 2-chloromethoxyethane in trimethylamine. The hydroxyl and amino groups of guanine are previously protected with the trimethylsilyl group by being treated with hexamethyldisilylazine. After hydrolysis, the resulting product with water 9,2-benzoyloxy-methoxymethyl guanine is isolated. Treating with methanol solution of ammonia removes the benzyl oil protecting group from the hydroxyethoxymethyl fragments, giving acyclovir. Now we can see the brand name for acyclovir, that is Zovirax, Acyclovir DT, Acyclovir Zoster DT. Company names, that is Sunways, Velona Pharma. Marketed preparations for acyclovir. Acyclovir is used to treat infections caused by certain types of viruses. Acyclovir cream is usually applied 5 times a day for 4 days. Acyclovir cream may be applied at any time during a cold sore outbreak, but it works best when it is applied at the very beginning of the cold sore outbreak, when there is tingling, redness, itching or a bump, but the cold sore has not yet formed. Uses of acyclovir, that is acyclovir is used to treat various infections in our body that is caused by viruses, but acyclovir is used to treat the symptoms of chickenpox, shingles, herpes virus, infections of genitals, the skin, the brain and mucous membrane. Adverse effects of acyclovir is upset stomach, vomiting, diarrhea, dizziness, agitation, pain especially in joints, hair loss and changes in vision. These are the references that I used in making the PPT of acyclovir. Thank you.